Greetings from Jivrus Technologies. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate Google Sheets and email services. Basically, how to send the contents of Google Sheet as a whole or mail merge each and every row into separate emails. If I have a Google Sheet which has timesheet information, I want to send this timesheet information every Monday morning 9 o'clock to a certain email. Secondly, I have a sales data. I want to send emails for each record that I have here. So let us see how to achieve this. To achieve this, launch Sheet Director. Select email as an app. Email application has two services, send email and mail merge. This one we are going to use send email. Let me call the service as send timesheet. So let me select the Google Sheet, which is timesheet here. Let me select it here. I want to send a range of Google Sheet. So it is from A1 to I24. So let me select range and then say A1 to I24. So in this service, this whole content can be sent as inline table. Also, it can be attached as PDF. So let's go ahead with both of this. I want to give a name to the PDF. I can also configure where to put the generated PDF. For now, I'll just ignore it. So let me go ahead and set up an email template. Let me give it a name. Let's say this comes from timesheets. I'm choosing my email ID for demo purposes. Let me call the subject as weekly timesheet. Let me give a simple message here. The attached. Notice that there is a sheet data dynamic field is placed here. This is actually the placeholder for replacing the content with. So let us leave it there. Save this. So when a timesheet is sent, I can also attach some Google Drive files. For this demo, I'll leave this. So now I can go ahead and schedule this on a weekly basis. Every Monday, say 9 o'clock. Between 9 to 10 it will go. So I can save this now. Let me execute and see. Okay, so this is sent now. So I can go and look into the sent item. So it says there is an email which is sent, which is called as weekly timesheet, as we have marked it in the email template. Let's open and see. See, if you look at this, the timesheet is attached as an inline information, as well as it has been attached as a PDF. Along with that, this Google Sheet is also attached, but let's open the PDF. So the PDF is nicely formatted. It can be used as a reporting feature, either for timesheet or for your invoicing or sales reporting or any other kind of reporting that you want to send it across from a Google Sheet to an email or to a list of people on a scheduled time. So this service can be used. Let's look at our next service. So next thing that I want is, I want to send this sales data. For this sales data that I have, I want to send individual email. There are two records here. So when I want to mail merge this, I want to send this individual email. So the email will have subject as this and message as this. And the message, if you notice, that message has some dynamic field, the name and products. So it actually refers back to the name in this particular record and then the products in this record. So let us see how to do it. Let's create another service on the mail app. Let's call this as mail merge sales data. Let me choose mail merge as a service here. So there are two ways to set it up. Apply a template that will bring a templated information, templated data. But for this demo, I have the data already. So let me go ahead and set up manually. I want to take input from the sales tab. So let me choose that. My input starts from A1. So let it be remaining like this. I'll do a quick refresh. When the mail merging is executed, I can get the status and result of what happened to the mail merge in each records here. So for that purpose, we have results column. So I don't have any special fields here. So let me go ahead and create those. So it is creating an SD status and an SD result. So when I execute this, basically this will get updated with whether it is sent successfully or not. So now if I go down and see that there are two app fields which are matching. So let us go ahead and say okay, automatically map it. So it has mapped subject and message because the names are same. And let's say the from name is not mapping. So let us map it. So the mail should be coming from a name called sales department for the first email and accounts department for the second email. So we have mapped it. Second is to whom it should be sent. We will use email to map it to that. So to this email it will be sent. Okay, so we have mapped all this. Subject and message is already mapped. So we mapped all this. Let's go ahead and execute it. So now it says there are two records ready to be posted. So let's go ahead and post. When it does, it says posted successfully, and this is where you can see the result, and both the records are successfully posted. Let's go ahead and see the sent item. So now you see there are two emails that has been sent. One is called explore new products, that is the subject line, and the message is nicely formatted with the actual name and the products, and the from name has come correctly here. So if you look at this data here, this is the from name, and this is the addressee name, and this is the email to which it should be sent, and this is the subject, this is the product to be used, and this is the message body that is to be composed. So that is done here. Let us look at this second one. So the second email that has been sent is to Besters from accounts department and the products that has been listed there. For the products here and to Besters it has been sent. So this is the mail merge service. You can have a number of records here and then mail merge and send emails. So in this way, you can use Sheet Director to send the entire content as a single email, or for each record, mail merge and send separate emails. Keep exploring and let us know your feedback. Thank you.